And thank you for sending in your video request on our Nissan Juke. As you can see, I have the vehicle in front of me here. So I'll just go through the car with you. You said it is on a 19 plate and it is the Techno model. So that's the top of the range there with all the bits and pieces that we'll go through in a moment. Just show you the alloy wheel there. Show you the tyre there. It's got a good amount of tread there as well. I have just quickly sprayed it off, so if you do see some water droplets dripping off, it is only water. Don't worry. The car is in really good nick. Very little marks to show you as I come around the back there, so you can see the sort of down the side there as well. We'll come and have a look at this wheel as well. A few little water marks on there, and the same again. That tyre, it's got loads of life left on it. As we move round to the back, and we go back into there, so the car's got a flexi board system, which we can see is this board in the bottom here, and you can see there is space underneath if I lift it up. Nice thing with this, gives you plenty of loads of options of boot configurators. So you can see we've got that deeper depth. You've also got, you can store it across the back there as well. Gives you that extra little bit of depth and that bit of protection against sort of bigger objects and things against the back seats. And we can see we can leave it on there, so you have got that level floor plan. If I move back round as well, so finished in the gun metallic grey metallic paint. You can see this wheel here as well, and the same with that tyre. Good amount of tread left on there. If we come back round to the front of the car, same again. You see the wear bars there, tread is nowhere near them. Just show you around that alloy wheel as well. Slight little mark just there, slight little scratch. If I head into the back, apologise, it's a bit of a shadow. So being the Techno model, it has got the full leather interior, which you see is throughout. There's a little bit dusty on there, but ignore that, it will be fully valeted for you on sale. As I said, move into the front here as well. You see you got that full leather trim, and you see unique to the model, you got the Bose headrests. So for better quality of sound, it's got the nice stereo system in here. It does have heated front seats, so if I just lift up the armrest there, you can see you've got the setting for the high and the low for the two passenger fronts. And what we'll do, if I go into the other side, I'll just show you a few of the features and bits that you get with this car. So as we're inside now, so you can see you got a push button start. So you press your foot on the brake and press the button. So as long as the key's within the car will start. So come to the sort of the main entertainment system here. So it does have the built-in satellite navigation system, which we can see is on the screen now. It's a fully postcode operated system, so that's all you need to do. You've also got the AM, FM and DAB digital radio, and you can see we've got that now. You've also got the capability to connect a phone up to the Bluetooth, and you've also got the functions on the steering wheel to answer those calls and put it down. Underneath, well actually, stay on the screen. This model has got the 360 parking cameras, which you can see are on the screen now. So you've got all four of them working together to give you that bird's eye view, makes parking a lot easier. And you've also got the rear parking camera on the back there. And if I was to twist the steering wheel, you can see that guidance line, that anticipated line there, move with it. Underneath, we've got the climate control. So we can see that if you turn the dial on the left hand side, that's adjusting your temperature. Blower speed on the right hand side, and then you've got your modes down this side with your air conditioning and the other features down that side. Maybe have to see across the top we've got a button for climate and also a button for D mode. D mode is just changes all the dials, as you can see, and we've just got the driving modes here. So normal, which is your sort of normal day-to-day driving. You've got your eco button as well, so as you can see, that's going to reduce the output from the engine, just reduce the throttle response, and also slightly lighten up the steering to make it a little bit easier. You've also do have a sport mode there as well, and just press the climate to go back to it. So this model is the 1.6 petrol with the automatic CVT gearbox, which you can see is just here. So at the moment I've got it in drive. All I do, press the button in there, and that's how you change through the gearing. And so this car has done 15,380 miles. So there is a tyre pressure light on there, which just needs a little bit of air in there as well. Move out to the steering wheel. So we touched on these buttons earlier on. So you've got the cruise, you got the Bluetooth buttons, got the volume controls for your radio, and then you've also got bits and pieces buttons here.